Hello everyone and welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I would like to show you this wonderful zigzag puffed pattern, and you can see here what I mean. So we have a little puffy elements that are going in different directions, and that's what I wanted to show you today. So it's going to be super easy, so if you want to see what I used and how I did it, stay tuned. So here is the yarn. It's called the Merino Mix Big from Mayoma, and it's 70% merino wool and 30% acrylic. We have 50 grams and 75 meters in this ball of yarn. It's for a 6 to 7 millimeter crocheting hook. Color is 3374 if you want to use this exact same one, and you can see what it looks like. So here is the piece. I'm going to push it to the back just so we have a bit more room here. Let's start with a slip knot, and then I'm going to do 15 stitches to get started. I'm going into the third chain from the hook, and I'm gonna pull it a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna do a yarn over and go in again. So I'm gonna have 4 loops on the hook, another yarn over, and once again. So we have 6 loops on our hook. And then we're gonna close all of this up, and we get this little puff, and then we close it up with a chain. Then we're gonna leave out the next spot, and into the chain after that we go in, pull longer. By pulling it longer, you actually achieve this puffed effect, so make sure not to skip that. And then yarn over, go in once again and one last time. Pull a bit longer, close up with the chain, and you have your second puff. Now let's repeat. Through 2 more, and that's it. Then we close up, and number 3 is done. Just remember to skip the chain on the bottom so you have enough room for everything and there's no unnecessary tension. That was number 4, and now we're about halfway, so I'm just going to continue the exact same way, and yeah, I'm going to show you what we're going to do next when I get to the end of the row. Almost done. This is the last little puff that we have, and then close up. So you basically just take your thread with you as you go like this, and you close it up one more time, or finally close it up with a stitch called the chain. And yeah, this is what we have. So you can see there's a little bit of room because we skipped the chains and did the chains on top. That way everything looks nice and neat. So now we're going to do 2 chains for the height, and we're going to go into this chain that we did in the last row, and we're repeating the same steps. So first you go in, take the thread with you and pull a bit longer, 2 times yarn over, go in, go out, and then you have your puff that you can close up. And then you basically just do all of the empty spots that you see, and that's all there is to it. Then the next one. Yarn over and another one and close up. So you can see the zigzaggy pattern already, but it's going to be even more visible when we do several rows more. So let's continue. Last one, yarn over and close up, and then 2 chains, and I'm going to show you row number 3. So we continue the same way. We go into this little chain here, then 2 yarns over and through and close up, and then we rinse and repeat. And you can see now how we have these little puffs going in different directions. You can see it on the threads that make up the little puff. And one more. And one more time. And you always know you're right when you have 6 loops on your hook that you can close up. There we go, 2 chains, and then we continue the exact same way until we run out of yarn or until we're satisfied with the length. Okay, so here is a little update. I did 2 more rows and this is what it looks like. So you can see that it's pretty thick, hopefully, through camera, and you can see here that the direction of the puffs keeps changing, and that way we have the zigzaggy effect. And yeah, I'm gonna do a bit more until I'm satisfied with the length, and then my scarf is ready to be worn. Of course, you can use this to make things like sweaters or other projects, headbands and similar, but I just wanted to show you the pattern for today, so this is where we're gonna stop the video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Feel free to let me know what you think in the comment section, subscribe, shoot a thumbs up, and stay tuned for the next project. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye!